In this video I'm going to show you the Hayward Trivac 700. This is a very unique pressure cleaner. The Tri-vac 700 not only cleans the bottom of your pool, but it will also clean your surface. In order to use the Tri-vac 700, you need to have a dedicated booster pump for a pressure cleaner installed at your equipment. And the Tri-vac 700 will not work without this dedicated booster cleaner pump. So the Tri-vac 700 is very similar to the Tri-vac 500, which I use on my pool route. Again, the only difference is the Tri-vac 700 has a setting so you can clean the surface of the pool as well as the bottom. And both the Tri-vac 500 and Tri-vac 700 are great pressure side cleaners. If you currently have a Tri-vac 500, you may want to upgrade to the Tri-vac 700 when this one wears out. This is a great upgrade because of the fact that you can switch it to clean the surface of your pool. And the Hayward Trivac 700 is part of Hayward's Expert line. It's only available at your brick and mortar pool store or through your local pool service provider. So the ability of the Trivac 700 to clean not only the bottom of the pool but the surface of the pool is something quite revolutionary. It's actually an awesome feature. It does a great job with the surface. I was surprised at how well it cleans the surface of a pool. And if you're concerned about the reliability of this cleaner, especially with all the different gearing in here for the surface and bottom cleaning, know that Hayward took a long time to work on this to get it perfected. And it's also backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty, so you can rest assured that this cleaner is going to work as described. And I think the Hayward Trivac vacuums are underrated. I really like the large debris bag on the back of the cleaner. I think it's the largest debris bag of any pressure cleaner on the market today. And this cleaner also features a really wide cleaning path on the bottom. So not only does it move really fast in the pool, it also has a wide cleaning path. So this pressure cleaner will clean your pool very quickly. And you can see on the bottom it has a very large debris opening. So this cleaner is great for pools with large leaf debris. So the way these pressure cleaners work is that the 3 venturi in the bottom here will push high pressure water up into the bag. This will also draw all the debris into the cleaner. And I would say the only drawback of this cleaner is it doesn't switch from the bottom to the surface automatically. You have to turn this dial here to set it for surface cleaning or bottom cleaning. Probably not a major drawback. And these bumper wheels are pretty effective at keeping the cleaner from rubbing up against the surface and damaging the body or scraping your pool. And so what you're getting with the Trivac 700 is a pressure cleaner that has a very wide cleaning path. It also cleans the pool bottom very rapidly. And as a bonus, you can switch this dial here and clean the pool surface. And included with the Trivac 700 is the owner manual and warranty card. Also included all the parts for installation. It's really easy to set up and install. I have a separate video on my channel on installing the Trivac 500. You can refer to that video for the Trivac 700. And if you currently have a pressure cleaner at your pool with a threaded wall connector, you can use the existing wall connector with the Trivac 700. There's no need to remove it and put a new one in. And the Trivac 700 comes with 30 feet of feed hose, so this is enough hose for most pools. You can also add hose sections if needed. You can also easily regulate some of the pressure going to the cleaner on the top. And like other pressure cleaners, it also has this tail sweep for the back. And the Trivac 700 features these 2 extra venturi jets, so when it's cleaning the surface of the pool, these jets will push debris into the bag. And when the cleaner is done with the surface, simply turn this dial and the cleaner will drop down to the bottom and start. You can see that the Trivac 700 does a great job not only with the debris on the bottom of the pool, but also with the surface debris. And the bag has been specially designed so that debris will stay in the bag when the cleaner turns off. And the only way the debris will come out is when you take the back clip off. And let me show you all the debris that I picked up here at this pool. And you can see the Tri-vac 700 does a great job picking up debris. So let's look at the Hayward Trivac 700. It's definitely one of the most innovative pressure cleaners on the market today. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.